Hey guys, today we're going to just give you a quick update video on the shop and the shop projects. So this morning we had the boys from NVS Fab up for a couple hours and they were helping get the new condenser back in the Jeep. So the condenser's back in, filling it with antifreeze and I had to check the radiator and stuff out too. So filling the radiator with antifreeze and filling up the Freon into the Jeep, and then she'll be ready to go. And we also tried to fix the exhaust leak for the third time, so we'll see if that got sealed up. And we had to end up putting a switch in because it's a motor swap, and we couldn't get the ECU signal right for it, so we had to put a switch in right here. So we got, this is just an extra switch for the cooling fan in case it starts getting hot when you're four-wheeling. We can throw this switch on and leave it on, and it'll bypass the thermostatic switch. And then this switch here, this is one that's hooked up to the AC fan. So when we turn on the AC, we gotta turn that on to make the clutch kick in. Usually it just gets done with this button here, but we couldn't figure out the right way to wire it up to do it that way anymore. So this works just as good. So the Jeep's probably all good. Gonna have to test drive anyways once I get her all cooled up. We also had to make another bracket down here for the radiator hose. You can kind of see that down there so it doesn't touch the crankshaft pulley. So everything's all done. It's all wired up. We still gotta change this relay to waterproof relay. But other than that, it should be ready to go, and we'll give it a test drive. And it's nice out, so maybe we'll take the top off. The kids will like that. So that's done. Last night we had the Jeepster out, and it's running perfectly. But it started pouring outside, and everything got all wet. So I just got it sitting out here trying to dry out the seats because I got dumped on last time. I took this out to get pizza, and yeah, it's sitting out in the sun trying to dry out. Had the Willys Wagon out for a test drive today also, and we got that out of, it was stuck in 4 low last time because we just didn't know what we were doing. But now I test drove it. It drives really well. Everything seemed to work good. The tune needs some little work on it though, so I'm going to get it retuned. I think I have one guy that tuned this Jeep and he did a really good job. So I think I'm gonna have that guy. It's called Turbo Joe's. I think I'm gonna have him retune this one instead, because the person that's doing it now, I'm not super happy with the drivability on it. And it's kind of annoying on the process of their tuning. Like every tuner is different. And I like the other ones more hands off. The Turbo Joe, I just hook the laptop into the Jeep and he remotes into it and does it all instead of having to do data logs and send stuff back and forth and wait. It's all done in real time and a lot quicker. So I'll probably have to buy another tune from a different person for this, so we can keep moving forward with that project. In the lower barn, we were also down there. Let me walk over there for you guys. All right, lower barn. We got some cool stuff happening down here. The new radio is in the Lambo. We put the car navi player, AirPlay, CarPlay, whatever, radio in there. It's pretty awesome actually. So easy to hook up to. Like we didn't have to cut, splice, nothing. It's just literally plug and play. Took all of 10 minutes to put that in there. As a matter of fact, here is the factory radio that we just pulled out with these keys, and everything else just slides in and connects to the same harnesses. So easiest radio I ever put in. Another badass thing is we have the Lincoln wheels. These are custom made wheels. These are 18-inch. I wanted 18s, not 20s, so I could fit some sidewall for another white wall still, because I still want like an 1.5-inch white wall for the look I like. So I got those ready. So I ordered some tires, and I'm just waiting for the tires to show up so I can mount those babies and get them put on the Lincoln. So that's going to be pretty awesome. I was waiting for these guys. I don't know, 4 or 5 months to make these things. So I've been waiting forever. And we worked on the pit bike for Bobo. We got the new tires on it, and it got it running. Seems to run pretty decent. Might need a carb kit still, but we can drive it around actually right now. Not too much trouble. I don't know. Like, when can a kid drive this? Like 2 years old? Should I get training wheels for it? I see there's some online, or should I just let them go and put pads on them? I don't really know. What do you think of training wheels on these bikes? Is it worth it? Let me know what you think. I'd like to get that thing. I'd like to get him on that sooner than later, because I think that's a good way to grow up, is on a mini bike. Anyways, that's ready to go. The wheels are ready for tires. Radio's in the Lambo. What else did we do down here? We didn't do anything with the Cornet, but I think I want to try to pull it out in the next couple days, because I haven't driven it yet this season, and it's nice out now, so it's time to take that out and drive it. And that's about it. It's our weekend Saturday update so far. We'll keep putzing around and see if we get anything else done before we finish the video. So I forgot to include this in the top shop update, but we started working on the grave digger for Bo, and I found out everything works. I got everything working except this gearbox here. So I found a gearbox online from a place that sells all sorts of parts for these things. So ordered the gearbox, and I think that's all I need to do to get this baby going. So hopefully that'll be here in a couple days, and that thing will be done, ready for him to play with. We also did some other shop upgrades. We had to change the batteries in the smart lock because it stopped working, because it's in the sun. It only lasts 3 months at a time. Then we changed everything to Wi-Fi 7. We use a Ubiquiti DreamCloud system, and we have Wi-Fi 7 run to all the shops now. So internet's much better in here, and the doors work again. And hopefully Boris's gravedigger will be working again any second. So that's it for now. We will be back as soon as we get some more projects done.